konting pakisamahan naman dito hindi kami saling pusa dito. Mr. President.
The minority leader is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. We were expecting at least some kind of cooperation or acknowledgement of the members of the minority before the majority leader all of a sudden stands up. The members of the majority have been talking to us Nakikipag-usap, kanina lang kinausap kami ng President Pro Tem. Ngayon biglang titindig itong majority leader na biglang he will be ramming down our throats. 10 members of the majority all of a sudden. We're expecting more cooperation and more better treatment for the minority because we're trying to our best to treat you as well. Because we can make it harder for you if this is what you want. Kaya we were expecting something better. Konting pakisamahan naman dito it's been that way since before. Pero kung ganyan ang gagawin natin, kasi the other members of the majority should know that ano lang to it's a matter of party representation And if we do that, if we follow the party representation, simple 6 NPCs, 3 upo, they decide sino 3. 5 ang Nationalista Party, 2.5. So may bakanting 0.5. Yung PDP laban 1 and 3. So 1.5. May isa at may bakanting 0.5. So pag pinagsama mo yun, 6 or 5. 6. And merong isang 0.5. And then there are 10 members who are either single members of the party or are independent. And in that case, 10 of them, 5 of them sits in the CA dapat. Yun ang dapat formula. Ganun lang kasimple dapat sana yung formula, Mr. President. Kung hindi naman, andun yung alternative formula which is majority-minority, okay. Pero we were expecting, the simple respect to the members of the minority na kinakausap naman kami. Hindi kami saling pusa dito. We can make this easy for you and we can make it also difficult for you. We will leave it up to you, Mr. President. My objection stands. I don't think we should continue with the election until we have discussed this properly, Mr. President.